floating cloud. After seeing this invention, can you guess how it works and what it's for? Probably not. If you take a closer look, you'll realize it's nothing more than just an LED lamp. However, it has an unusual design, making it perfect for decorating your home. The floating cloud will please the eye, especially if you like nature, and will certainly surprise your guests. This product is a collaboration of two companies. Specialists from Kryolev provided the levitation technology, while the design as well as the operating principle were developed in Richard Clarkson's studio. Special magnetic components are built into the cloud and the base, allowing the cloud to soar at a height of about 70 millimeters from the base. The floating cloud lights up and also sets the mood by reacting to sounds such as music or speech. The cost of this original lamp is $4,620. 0. Do you know how much food you throw away every day? The UN says about a third of all food ends up in landfills. To be more precise, the average family throws away 180 kilograms of food per year, according to the researchers. Considering the ecological problems around the world, the situation doesn't look good. Zera is an invention created by Whirlpool. Its goal is helping families who want to produce less waste. The device processes products and their remains into natural fertilizer. The idea of composting, i.e. the production of organic fertilizer from organic waste, is not new. However, the problem is that it takes 3 months to 2 years to make compost. Surprisingly, Zera allows you to obtain fertilizer within 24 hours after the waste container has been filled. The waste loses about 2/3 of its volume in the process, and the price is $2,100. Clocky and Tocky. Everyone oversleeps at some point in their life. After the alarm clock rings, the temptation to snooze it and stay in bed for another 5 minutes is way too strong. Unfortunately, these 5 minutes can turn into half an hour, and then an hour, and then lead to you being late. Clocky and Tocky are alarm clocks that will keep you awake. That's because they jump off of the table and, while emitting sound, start rolling around the room. So if you want to turn it off, you actually have to get up and catch the running alarm clock. This in turn helps you overcome the sleepiness. Clocky and Tocky work similarly, but have slightly different designs. Clocky is equipped with wheels, so most of the time it rolls in a straight line. Tocky, in its turn, has no wheels, so it can roll in any direction, making it way harder to catch. You can also record voice messages on the device, which will be played back as you're trying to catch it. At the moment, you can buy only Clocky for $40. SWDK. Cleaning the floors is not a difficult task, but it can be exhausting. You need to lift buckets, change the water, wring out the rags, and much more. This invention from Xiaomi is designed to give its owner a fundamentally new cleaning experience. This smart mop eliminates the need to use buckets. No more wetting your hands and feeling discomfort. Cleaning efficiency is ensured by 2 units located at the bottom of the mop. They use a patented technology. The mop independently creates friction between the floor and the soft pad through vibration. In addition, the surface is polished, as up to 1,000 movements are made per minute. The company claims that their product is 3 times stronger than traditional mops, even though it's made of plastic. This mop is portable too and wireless, so you can use it to clean your car as well. The swivel handle allows the electric mop to get into hard-to-reach places. The flashlight also increases cleaning efficiency. And of course, the device operates almost silently. Its price is about $100. This invention won't make your house cleaner, but it will give you pleasure in another way. Pura is a smart dispenser that will fill the rooms in the house with your favorite smell. The manufacturer offers more than 20 different scents, from grapefruit and bamboo to lavender, green tea and pink jasmine. The chosen aroma is sprayed at intervals or at a specified time. Pura understands when homeowners leave the house and doesn't waste the fragrance. The device is paired with a mobile application, thus you can switch Pura on before coming home to make your apartment or house smell good. The sprayed liquid is eco-friendly and harmless for children and pets. One bottle, which lasts for 350 hours of spraying, costs $18, and you can put 2 of them inside the sprayer at the same time. Pura itself costs $35. The Kohler Connect. Now we want to talk about a system that can transform your home. The American company Kohler offers smart lamps, mirrors, sanitary ware like toilet bowls and showers, and much more. All of these components form a smart system that takes the comfort of living in a home to a new level. For example, the light intensity can be adjusted by voice, gestures, and remote control. You can also change the music and the lighting in the shower, as well as the intensity and type of jets. The toilet is equipped with a module to heat the seat as well. Also, it can blow out air from the bottom in order to keep your feet warm. The bathtub with integrated perfect fill technology also responds to the voice, and it automatically fills with water at the selected temperature up to a certain mark. And this smart faucet can pour an exact amount of water and not a drop more. Rockubot. You never know who's sleeping in your bed. We're talking, of course, about microscopic organisms that often inhabit our beds, such as microbes, bacteria, bed bugs, and even mites. The Rockubot is a smart robot designed to protect people by making sleeping safer and more comfortable. The device is equipped with an ultraviolet lamp that disinfects the surface, killing up to 99.99% of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. The device works in 2 modes. The first is automatic, when the robot independently moves along the bed. Its smart sensors detect obstacles and bed borders. You don't have to worry about the safety of the robots, as it won't fall down. The Rockubot starts operating by setting up a route to cover the entire surface. It can even work under a blanket. The second mode is manual. Rockubot is equipped with a special handle. After that, you can decontaminate any surface you want with UV rays, from a laptop keyboard to a kid's stuffed toy. The Rockubot is a 2019 invention, so of course the developers couldn't help but add some cool advanced features. The device is equipped with a speaker for playing music. It's portable, wireless, and can be used anywhere. If that's not enough for you, the manufacturer suggests using Rockubot as a portable battery too, that also has a wireless charging function. You can buy this amazing device at a price starting at $260. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.